In your opinion, what role does education play in strengthening the Hawaiian lāhui?
The biggest, like the biggest role. Education is bigger than just school. Like, people are like, oh my God, education is so boring. Like, school is so boring. I feel like I'm not learning anything, but education is bigger than school. But if we're just talking about school type of education, it's so important because this is the place to make connections with people and to figure out who you are and what you believe, what you don't believe. It's teaching you skills like critical thinking. And even if assignments may not always feel relatable to a degree or useful, it is at the same time because there's a lesson in everything. So I think school is a great place to start in terms of educating people in general. But education is also the going outside. Education is traveling around the world and like meeting new people in different cultures, is going to school and making friend groups of people that you never would have imagined you would meet. Like, my friends in college are wild. Like, their stories are wild. Like, I have friends from Central Oregon who, you know, had never met anyone from Hawaii before. I have friends from Oregon whose families are from Mexico or Gujarat in India. Like, some of my friends are in the Peace Corps. Like, crazy things. One of my friends are from North Dakota, and our freshman, to come to freshman orientation, he biked the whole way on his own.
From North Dakota to Oregon.
Yes, to Oregon by himself. And it's just like, I carry all of...
Is that for real?
Yeah, for real. He's awesome, but he's a special boy. But he literally did that. He's like, this sounds fun. And he had his bike the whole college experience. And he was like, I think this would be cool. And he did it. You know, so I feel like I carried everyone's stories with me. All of my friends, people that I met in college that I only talked to once. Like, that to me is education. Like, you're meeting people that are so different and you're learning something from them. So I guess to go back to your question, even though I went 5 million years past, education is literally the key to everything because you're learning about everything. And so you make your education and you make your schooling what you make it. So like Poi says, conquer you can if you will. If you will is the key point. She gives us opportunities, but if you don't take those opportunities, then you'll learn somewhere else, hopefully. But you know.